Okay, let's see what we've got here. Oh, that's a round LED ceiling light. Now, that one is going out, and this one going in. Out, in. Here we go. Now that's a gunner. Oops, gotta be careful. Don't want to break it before it goes up. Just like that. Up in the ceiling. Center of ceiling rose. Don't need that one. That gets fitted first. Before we could mount the light. No, can't read Chinese. Let's imagine, just like this. Up there, we fix this one first. Yep, like this. Right there. That is all done. Fixed. We are on the roll. Power supply wires are all connected. Using connecting block. Let's have a closer look at the connections on LED driver input. Brown to live. Blue to neutral. If no earth, just leave. So simple. You know what they say. Every dog has its day. Now there it is. Ladies and lads. Happy and sads. Mums and dads. We have finally nailed it. We have given a new look to this room just by changing an old ceiling rose to a trendy round hollow LED light. Don't it look gorgeous? Later, guys.